Welcome to NeuralPilot AI. Today's topic is a brand new viral niche. Yes, I'm talking about miniature cooking videos, one of the hottest trends across social media right now. These tiny cooking videos are going viral, generating millions of views because they're incredibly satisfying, entertaining, and fascinating to watch. People simply can't stop watching them. I've created some amazing miniature cooking videos for you that are incredibly fun, satisfying, and exciting to watch. The best part is that I created every one of them completely free. Yes, absolutely free. If you'd like to create miniature cooking videos just like these, simply click the prompts link in the description to open and use the prompts yourself. Simply copy the prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. In the food name section, type the name of the food you want to turn into a miniature cooking video. For example, if you want a chicken cooking video, just type chicken and click generate. ChatGPT will instantly create a customized prompt for you. Once the prompt is ready, simply copy it and use it to generate your video. Now, here's the most important part. Where do you use the prompt to generate the video? To do that, open Google Flow AI, paste the prompt into it, and generate your video. After opening Google Flow AI, select Video, then choose Ingredients. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16 and select OmniFlash. Next, paste your prompt into the prompt box and click Generate. After a few moments, your video will be ready. Here's the final result. The next step is to download the video. Once it's downloaded, you can upload it to any platform you like. The video is yours to use, share, and publish as your own content. If you want to discover more viral AI niches like this and don't want to miss future content, be sure to subscribe to our channel.